Yeah, North America calling. 48 teams, one trophy. Let's go. From the bright lights of New York to the heat of Mexico City, Vancouver snow, Toronto roar, the whole world's getting gritty. Canada, Mexico, USA, three nations host the show. 16 cities shining bright, let the beautiful game flow. 48 flags flying high from Argentina to Japan, Morocco, Senegal, Brazil, England, France in the plan. Germany, Portugal, Spain, the powerhouses arrive. This is the summer of football, feel the fire come alive. Stars on the pitch, millions in the stands. Every goal a legend, every pass a master plan. Messi's magic one more time, Ronaldo's final dance. Mbappe's beating like lightning, Kane leading England's chance. World Cup 2020 since glory in the air. North America united, we don't have a care. Who's gonna lift the trophy under the summer sky? Spain or France with the fire, Argentina fire. Oh, raise the cup high, Brazil dreaming again, England touch the sky. Lamine Yamal shining bright, Pedri in control. This is our moment, this is football soul. Lamine Yamal dazzling Spain, the wonder kid on fire. Kylian Mbappe for France, taking it higher and higher. Lionel Messi weaving magic, Argentina's king once more. Cristiano still fighting, Portugal at the door. Harry Kane for the three lions, scoring every night. Achraf Hakimi bombing forward, but Morocco shining bright. From the streets of Rio to the fields of London town, every team is dreaming, wearing that golden crown. Hosts are ready, crowds are loud, the final in New Jersey glows. June to July, the battle rages, everybody knows. Underdogs like Uzbekistan, Cape Verde making history. But the big boys are coming strong, writing their own story. Very 20 cents, glory in the air. North America united, we don't have a care. Who's gonna lift the trophy under the summer sky? Spain with the tiki take-off, France with the speed fly. Raise the cup high, Brazil's five-star dream, or England's time to try. Yamal, Mbappe, Messi, Ronaldo, legends on the field. This summer belongs to those who never yield. 48 teams, one dream, one champion to be crowned. In the land of opportunity, where the passion knows no bound. Will it be La Rota lifting it, or Les Blues in the end? Or maybe the Albi Celeste make the whole world bend? 2027, they're in the dream tonight. Canada, Mexico, USA. North America 2026. Raise the cup. Feel the glory. Football wins again.